How to get Wi-Fi QR code in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open password app. Now go to app library and here you can search your password app. Click on passwords. First of all, enter your Face ID to open your app. And now here you can see the option Wi-Fi. Now click on Wi-Fi. Now here you can see all the networks, and if you want to see the QR code, then simply click on a network, and then here you can see the option show network QR code. Now click on it, and here you can see your QR code. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.